Thing we have is a fan, and we did plug in the fridge. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Ruko R299 power station. This is a really small power station, very portable, very lightweight. It does have a lot of features in it. 288 watt hours capacity, 330 watt output. It's going to be on the smaller appliances, laptop, a small light, a small TV, BMS safety protection. You got power 9 devices simultaneously, 3 charging methods, LED illumination with SOS mode, lightweight and portable. So yeah, it only weighs 8.37 pounds. On the back, it does have a light. Specifications: R299 battery capacity 22.2 volts, 13 amps, 288.6 watt hours, AC output. Pure sine wave inverter, 110 volts to 60 hertz, 330 watts. DC outputs, 12 volt 5 amps times 2. Cigarette lighter outputs, 12 volts 10 amps. USB output 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps, 18 watts max. Output USB-C outputs, this is the big one because this one does charge your cell phones and your laptops, the new USB Type-C. So you got 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, 20 volts, 3 amps, 60 watts max. So yeah, it is a fast charger. We'll make sure that is with my cell phone. Of course, wireless charger, 10 watts. It does have a wireless charger. Charging temperature, 32 to 104 Fahrenheit. Code. So this is made in China. Big shout out to Ruko for sending us this product. They did send us this power station. They are not paying us for this review. They just send us to test for you guys to see if it actually worth buying or not. Instruction manual. See what's inside. Pretty much a brick, charging brick. We got a 12 volt cigarette lighter charger and the adapter for the house. So this is the power station, basically 330 watts. Got on and off for the light on the back. You got AC on and off. So you got the AC output over here. So you only have one of these house outlets, vents there. DC input. So for that 12 volts for the cigarette lighter, you can just throw it in here and get ready to charge it. You got PV input, which I wish they would include. They did not include that. And just to let you know, the house one does going through here as well. You connect the house outlet there. So you connect it like that. And then just keep it together. 12 to 26 volts, so very small solar panels. You got USB Type-C, USB A's, 3 USB A's, 1 USB Type-C. You got some DC out. So you got a parallel, some sort of parallel cigarette lighter. 2 fans there, so got a lot of air circulation. Pretty much everything's plastic on the bottom. You do have all the specifications for this unit. It does have 2 rubber, so it's not bouncing around. Have a wireless pad there for your cell phones or wireless devices. We got a nice rubber grip handle. We do have a light on the back. The light on the back, it's kind of like warm. It's not really, it's kind of like yellowish, but still it works pretty good, pretty decent for the campsite or a flat tire or something. Alright, let's turn this on and see what it looks like. Alright, so it's on, pretty nice and clear. You do have the battery percentage, which is 52. You got the USB out and the DC out. Yeah, super fast charging at 55%. This is a plus, guys. Every time you guys get a power station, you guys got to get that super charging power, because right now it's 2024 and you need to charge those big devices, you know, power hungry devices. This is a very, very good thing to have, especially when the light goes out, grid goes down. If you're going to go out, take a road trip, you never know, you know, if you're going to need this or not. A breakdown or something, this is a plus to have something like this. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug it in, see how much watts we get out of this thing. Alright, it says power in, 48 watts. We're up to 50. Yeah, so we're getting 50 watts in. So for a power station this size, you don't need a whole lot of charging. I mean, you don't need super fast charging. It would be nice if you get that 300 or 200 watt charge. But for a really small power station, 50 watts, it's plenty. All right, so we got the power station, and we did plug in the fridge right here. So it's plugged in right there. And we do have the power station plugged in here. So right now it's draining 73 watts. This is a fridge. This is a camping fridge, portable fridge, however you want to call it. Right now it says 73 degrees. Temperature, I have it down to 35, so temperature is dropping. It's working fine. We're at 51%. Let's just put this down here. And as you guys do see, the light is on. The fridge is powered. So next thing we have is a fan. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. So you guys did hear it did turn on. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on right there. So we do have it on 37 watts. So we're steady at 37 watts. It's already at maximum. So you guys do see it's working fine. How long you're gonna be able to run this? It just depends on the wattage of the fan or the fridge or the TV. I would say a couple hours at least, depending on how much you're gonna be using for a short period of time for emergency situations. Alright, so what do I think about this? I've been using this for about 2 weeks already, and it actually has been working great. I've mostly been using it for my cell phone. I did get the power grid down about 5 hours. I ran the fan for about 2 or 3 hours. It was okay for that. But mainly I've been using it for charging my cell phone. It's like a little power station supply that you want to call it, portable. So you don't have to be plugging it in the wall or anything. You can just take that with you. It's very small. I do recommend it, but it is kind of on the smaller side. The only thing I don't like, there's something that I don't like. Of course, I can say whatever I want on this video because they are not paying me for this. This is not an advertisement. The only thing I don't like is the charging to the house. The charging brick to the house does get a little bit warm. It might get a little bit more warmer than normal, but still, I've been testing it. I've been charging it a few times already. That's why it took me a little while to make this video. Because I wanted to test it to see if it actually works or not. But yeah, the charging brick does get a little warm. It gets about to 100, a little bit more than 100 degrees. You know, with the fan or something. I've seen other power stations actually put a fan inside that power brick. But for something small like this, I think it does work pretty good. I think it's good for the price. And I do recommend it. So guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what's up with this power station. And of course the cons and the pros. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video.